will sleep later also. It's only 1 hour talking in front of the camera. Mm-mm. Don't look at me, people. Oh, I'm trying not to laugh. Yes. Because it said that if I laugh, it will get my wrinkles more. Okay, much better to shut up my mouth. Oh, just kidding. So, what's the topic for today? I'm shy now, really. What the face? The face I have right now, much better. I will turn off. Jean Gabriel, hi Gab. Thank you, Gab, for dropping by, Gab. Gab, thank you, Gab. Miss Gab, thank you for coming over here in my live, Gab. Thank you, Gab. Okay, we'll turn on the light. Better dark place. Dark place? Yeah, much better like that. Hiding my ugliness in front of the camera. If I look at you, Shangi, I guess topic is Bang Krabere. Ha? Wait, Kurt line. That make me laugh. Okay, you open the topic. You open the topic about Bang Krabere. Hi, Kurt. I'm just relaxing my movement right now. Mm, yeah, it's humid here, so I'm pipe. I'm fun right now. Mm-mm. Meet, I will meet. I'll put some lights so that you can see me clearly. You're just creating the mask for the next one. Oh, next decade I will do it. Great. No more. Yes. What should I answer the Kurt line? Let's see. Maybe next two, next three, next four. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Not only next one, next two, next three, next four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay? Okay, Kurt? Thank you. Have a good day. What the face. Okay, much better that you can see me clearly. Thank you for, anyways, great, Kurt, thank you for dropping by. Mm-hmm. Thank you, Kurt. Thank you, Kurt. I'm all I left. I'm so lost without you. I have 4 million people there. I don't know. I know how they are. Don't count too much in the future. You never know when they catch you. I'm not counting though. I'm multiplying. I'm adding. I'm dividing. Algebra. What topic is that? Good. Anyways, how you been? How are you, my friend? It's been a decade. You're not. Yeah. Okay, nothing. Yeah. 4 million people, silent viewers. I know. I know you're just listening to me. I know who you are. Huh? I know who you are. I can feel it. I can feel it.